Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm one of Rio's librarians, and I'm here to show you how to use OneSearch. OneSearch is a research tool that lets you search most of the library's databases simultaneously. So if your instructors asked you to locate an article on a topic, or an ebook, or a newspaper, OneSearch is a great place to start. You'll find OneSearch right in the middle of the library homepage. To get started, enter your search terms, remembering to keep it simple rather than typing long questions or tons of words into the search box. I've searched for fiscal policy in United States, and these are my results. Before you do anything, check out the options on the left side of your results screen. These can help you focus your search even more. Your search is automatically searching for our electronically available full-text items. But you can narrow your search down more to things like highly credible peer-reviewed articles, for instance, or click on the resource type section of the screen to narrow to a specific publication type, like a magazine or newspapers. You can also use the publication date option to limit your search to articles published within a certain period of time. When you find a title that looks interesting, there are a few different ways to access it. If the article contains a link that says Get PDF or View Online, click there to be taken to it directly. Otherwise, choose the available online link and then select a database to grab the article from. Don't forget that many of our databases include tools that you can use to help you grab the APA or MLA citation for any information you're using. If you find an article that you're interested in and want to revisit it later, don't just copy and paste the URL from the top of your browser. Instead, look for a link that says Share, Permalink, or Bookmark and grab the URL from there. You can also use the email or save options to keep a copy. If you have any questions about using OneSearch, our Ask a Librarian chat service, run by real human librarians, is available 24/7 to help. You can access Ask from OneSearch, Rio Learn, or the library homepage. We're happy to help.